Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Ministry for Foreign Affairs said them a watch the 4 Jamaican students who still in the Ukraine. The Opposition People's National Party PMP said them a tell everybody said them no keep no protest or plan for keep no protest about wagwan in a Russia and Ukraine. The police said them find 9 guns at the Freeport Wharf in a Montego Bay, St. James. The Jamaica under-20 reggae girls lose them first match in the FIFA World Cup qualifiers after them lose to Guatemala 1-0. Now for the full story them. Ministry for Foreign Affairs said them a watch the 4 Jamaican students who still in the Ukraine. According to Senator Kamina Johnson Smith, who are the minister, one of the students in a Romania and them asked her for help. 2 other students they in a one safe part of Ukraine and the 4th student still in a Kharkiv. Senator Smith said people from our ministry attack with the student them for see how safe them be and see how the government can help them. Yesterday, 24 students reached in Poland. The Opposition People's National Party PMP said them a tell everybody said them no keep no protest or plan for keep no protest but wagwan in a Russia and Ukraine. The party sent out one tweet yesterday morning said them no involved in a no protest and nobody no for use them name neither. Some report did come out said the PMP did a plan for protest but wagwan in the Ukraine. Yesterday, 2 people, one of them used to in the PMP, did outside at the Russian embassy a cuss about wagwan. The police said them find 9 guns at the Freeport Wharf in a Montego Bay, St. James. The gun them a 3 M16 rifle, 1 submachine gun with 1 silencer, 1 handgun and 4 pistol. The gun them get fined in a 1 TV set. On top of that, the police said them find 5 magazines too. 1 gardener dead after him dropping in 1 pit when him did a work on 1 house in a Coral Spring, St. James. Some fireman did have to take out him body yesterday afternoon. People only know the man as Shane and them say him did a use him weed whacker for cut the yard when him step on 1 pit what it cover with plyboard and drop in it. People in the community say them sad about him dead because him did a 1 nice man. 1 teenager drowned a river in a Plum Valley, Buff Bay, Portland over the weekend. Him a 18 years old Romario Grant who a 1 chef who come from Lorna Avenue, Kingston 19. According to the police report, Grant did amongst a group of people who are swimming at the river around 1:30 when him get in a trouble and drown. All heap of people did a try save him, but it never worked. 1 video go around on social media with people that take Grant body out of the water. Now for sports. The Jamaica under-20 reggae girls lose them first match in the FIFA World Cup qualifiers after them lose to Guatemala 1-0. Yesterday, the reggae girls beat Cuba 3-0. On top of that, the reggae girls are going to play against Haiti Wednesday. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.